beauties, welcome to this magical summer's day, and I couldn't be happier to do my 6-week final review on the Revitalift Filler Renew range. So I did a video review at the 3-week mark and the results were actually quite positive. My skin was hydrated, the bags under my eyes were less visible, and now after 6 weeks I've found that my skin is even more hydrated, the bags under my eyes are significantly less, and even the little fine lines around my mouth are starting to disappear. Now I think it's due to this product here. I know at the 3-week mark I was really concerned about the alcohol levels in this product, but the hyaluronic acid clearly has taken front row seat and done its job, because the fine lines around my mouth are significantly less, as I said, and I couldn't be happier. So at the 6-week mark I am super happy with all 4 of the products. So this video is going to be a really short one because I'm really happy with the results. I would recommend them to everybody now, including the huge syringe looking one. It has worked wonders with my skin. I will continue to use the products until they're finished. So thanks to Beauty Bulletin for sending me these 4 awesome products to review. I've had a great time reviewing them and using them and seeing the awesome results. And if you're not already a member of your Beauty Bulletin, what you do is you go to the website www.beautybulletin.co.za, sign up, go register, and you too could stand in line to get free products from them to review. Obviously you have to be quite active on social media, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, even have a beauty blog. So if you've got a beauty blog, please go and stop by, register, and come and say hi. Bye beauties, and happy spring day!